Elsia e kana for 18 kom. Ai na beje di say e da di Lumba mu na nye ambulance akope na de no koy. Saa so na bebi a omo de da no omo kire say da di Lumba na da usia. Afina no kwa beto dwa say na enye da di Lumba ana e de e da ho. Na omo kire na aye nipa bonefo bi efa kwan bi say omo ba bibia e da di Lumba mu. Enu nti ana omo afana nto omo de eye bebi fo ana baba to ho. Na usia nkomo akoso. Eye anniversary na sankasa no opini bi nso be di nkomo o church nsem ha wa da di Lumba mu. E kwan a mo de fa so ani bebi a mo de kokoto e usia Buji Black enso abedi nkomo kan ho nyankwaji nsem mu chiru. Chawa ni comment section se na tefo no mu fa we a share ma foforo enso eni bi. How so etu for what me class. Nyankwaji nsem mu chiru emra.
January, our bread. Nam go do Hamburg. Auntie Eva, minka story. Say Facebook for the moon so forth. Moon so forth. Connie, I remember. Connie go to 70 hours. Hey. Oh, thank you so much. Those who do that, I'm going to thank you, my dear. Why do you bring me blame or ammo? I'm a new. After the menu so net, me na me friend Hill, and na me friend Auntie Eva, obi anfa ko. Obi anfa ko. Me fan. Ya cho so fort. And I'm the bijina me so fort is the no aboa be. Aboa be di no. And I'm bijina ho. Hey, after me one say shoo, papa si ko. Ba si ko na me na ti kwa. There's a bus in Lumba no and the boat thing. Madam say be. Everybody me. It's not so far to the church. Say, me and him say, I did him this same hoodie. I would shut my Hamburg about this. And yet, when you ask, me don't feed that. Facebook before the wood. I would shut my son. Hey, I said, many, it be this so far to be to me. Say, me busa, I did cheer. It be quiet, maybe I'm going to a man castle, but the one I will travel and them. And I'm sure them. Nti ade tie na mebusa se na anyem bia so fort as it is. Say oh so fort as it is on the go on the run. No say boy bewo. As it is immediately at once by force. And I'm saying my who all one every akukwa de ni agba. It I would travel Hamburg rough. Auntie Eva, me frat Eva, one fa. No, I be say. That means so. Auntie Eva, what you have? And if I papa you put it to say that we sharp. And I quite do come. It's all part of a year life. What you say na bibia etimi aye kama. Nyame ensam na yenko ene ensam so yenko ene ensam so. Thank you, Kwedu. Thank you. See, that gift is Nina Asi. Samia Nana Yan programs manager but why tight all the way from the United States. Programs manager so producer Jumediano kama said the mood programs manager mo na mo Facebook there. Bunim say Obojuma. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pacho power tapping na yenko yenim. Power tapping na yenko yenim. Na ensem kakra ho. Me pese ye twetwe ho komo. Na enenso me say was surprise kese ma. Me see Ubeka say, hey, mame nkomra no una wani no na besinko. Ye fe no passion. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for the heart. See, thank you. God bless you. It be pacho surprise. Stay glued. Just say glued ni say ofun no mane just say dina ho say ya moani. So obenya ni say kwa now the glue be fa moment so na entire we this day because you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. Nyame ehia na onka ho. Ensem bebre etwagu enra no. Ensem bebre etwagu. Honorable Collins abekasa. Now before we get into yensem now if your mama nipa 1 or 2 because mama late to say. Now also do our drink chaba no. Ma yensha here with sounds of our time. When we say every time piano, yeah, the sounds of our time no. Bro, na no sounds of our time no. Mamia your friend no a champion. Me pacho, don't get me wrong. And atim didi. But enra no mama no Emma me hu dwiri me kakra. Ask me why. Me hu dream no was because her all chances any no man na all can wabra okura dem hono. I was just asking myself, so is it not the same woman the very first time oko interview so na ebusa no say Lumba on kan was watching na de pen ogdin komona du pompon so bi anu ochirem Lumba enso na yire de say wan kwa o to the point of say omopa Ghana ko no otimi ekugye omo kwan airport ti assembly. So one would ask nene edien na ebaye ma afedie mami enra ni all chances ni chira me pefe, which we are going to get into it deeply based on the honorable Mufa Chef me friend honor and because Honorable Collins say meaning like me who the person but me na show and I'm one in number and I'm any chatties that those days and some we crave about politics inti MPP in some tina they be my friend Honorable Collins and yes be a BBR because we say I'm friend Honorable near and yes would they just share context now one seven na make him based on the Honorable Collins I'm also man kwa be kind a yi no mo bebre DAP na yebehwe ho yebehwe no me catch him say the truth is always in the beginning. In fitiasie no mu ho no ho na no kure ni nyina hye fitiasie no mu ho na no kure ni nyina hye but mami eye a champion ensem a enu a na afi all kano na my shock price kakra meaning say onu ankasa mpo no when hunu Lumba baby edin kwoto ye up until a year after banani kasa ye mu later on akwa ye say nipa bi na ye nipa bonefo maame akosia se wan hwe pon wan maye no necessary mpoma na eduebo but sana onu amukura no ofre ne ba because Lumba ne ba wa che na de baby onu amu ba no na oda no kura no onim baby onu anipa Lumba ta no na onim ho. So let us start with sounds of our time. Madam Nyamase, Miss FBI, Pacho Uba no power type na wa share with how maame no ebe active. In fact, I was shocked. I was let me preserve they way no kind of fiction like the way maame here na me I wasn't expecting that. Well, maybe ebia your man the benefit of the doubt. She was so excited to finally see say baby hono ya ni sa ne ho anoda obia ni believe. And I find it a bit difficult me myself, I don't know about you, say ebimo chere say about life you welcome I finally a hun baby order. But the thing is, how can you confirm say truly or was to baby yes how can you tell? We leave it up to time to determine sa adieno. Now sounds of our time.
I know what you can do. What's the other yeah, we did it. Yeah, kind of
video or picture. I know what you can do. What's the other yeah, we did it. Or say, the old kind of abemu pepe. It's not just said. Ebia from the onset, you know. Na mame champon enim se Lumba and so yeah will ebia ni be suchen I can't tell. Because she's also re-echoing and some na yatiti bebre, you know. So or say the old pen on abem. Should I say Lumba can say it's you know it would fee. Inti mami a champon sorry re-echo edi bia kan say Lumba and Pampa do no pay. And my question is very simple. Say, yeah, mommy, a champon, mommy. Me pacho, are you really sure? Say, Udu any be and I had to simply because say, oh, you teacher Nino. I know, say teacher for you know more a deep kakra in terms of thinking and doing everything, analyzing stuff. Intimate problem, mommy a champon. Any kebia if I say mommy bring poma. Sad time one son and no say almost say Hana you see no. Nenso only by media so be say I feel no person what ye ko no ko chire Ghana for baby a you see Lumba ankasa ti asem no ti statement no. Or say, I think, and I'm a person with the motor, na me chita mu baby, I see a Lumba ankasa. So, and so no, them who I don't know. Maybe these people they speak in parables, via the ordinary Ghanaian cannot understand. Mentiasi. Maybe they speak in parables, no.
I know what you can do.
And Kawanun too, and Nadio, and Kawan. In fact, minim the nama, minim the no on Kananun too. This is a mentiasi. It's not that she believes say a man in Kananun too. Not say now, Mammy a champon, Eddie to say Lumba. He never died from set Nimre Nasun. At this point, you know, we can also conclude. We can also conclude, say, Mammy a champon. Onyi ni se Lumba ewo onwani birim because enadin normally no enadin yadia ye ka kire eye ye fere say say ye suspicious about obi any new na your friend say omakọ enan so normally you see nipa no a mehunu bi because Hamburg according to na America na esa na net ye ko eho no eyie no na nipa no omo ban na ebusuafo ne man bi say ema ma ye omma me na din because they believe say she did not die of natural death bi na emu bibi wom inti ma me a champon person o chire mu a na che say Lumba fu no onu ahunu say emu orem na bibi ewom nyam na meka na nsem no ye di tutu ani a normally sa na tie e ka say mo bi na abra wawu a ntsase ne ba akopɛ ena meka chirewi eni say ɛsɛ ɔsɔre ɔma ne homene so na oye bibi now enu achi no abusuapanyin X to sack ebo eyi apaye se wogu nsa no ɔse afe no ɔte aware ni right I don't know right ebia na sanso na yeyi kunaye na yi a yeka because what I know ni say tama yedi efunu no ekɔhye ana yeye ewufu som no ansa na eyi na kɔ no normally you say oba nko anasa okunani no nko esi ye obi ni de count nti ye yi ni wi a na ya roll ring no na unwuma amra anasa unwa no mo de kɔ esi ye obi because ye nya adwempa hene de na sana ekɔ no beki wanko graveyard ye ho no bi oti ase nti no sana na ye hwese time wa ofiri mu no tika ibehu no bisi na ya ti wo muntam no de kɔ enye after 1 year no na busa pay to tax o yi apaye ese oti awarifu onye ni iri biem ne I don't know maybe I feel yes akika za na but the truth of the matter is say seven previous so only in the side of you ti asem no yes ya ti wo muntam enso only in the dandem say according to the muka no say yesie no oni fie ho say de ehuni a na just oni atabna da so da den ba akum ntina empire no say na be call because enka ya tintem no na kawa no omuchi kwa omu ntem kwan no awa ti cafe no so na ono akọ na no so na nyesa ebi am wrong na nko ba no komum no akọ hwe ni kuru akọ no said you say yenyaba beki ha wo ye kosra adwempan after 1 year no kwari you see ni wie na chi no okọ emi ehuni na we de abuza ben to sack X o say o ti o muntem omunya ha wa afọ obiem nanso oni na ne sada dai ba akum abuzafo ase we ye ka ne say mi busa asema abuza ben X to sack ka say wati wo muntem no omunya awarefo obiem ogu apaye yi apaye no nanso ade besa no anase anwumre oni ni mie ne sada dai ba akum you can call it say ona dai ba fi asase kro na no mu nyina ate so enti intem na atie no say ne tie me pa chaw de to so biem ye hunu say yes kuna na enti na meka because amamre no I don't want to be mistaken, but hear me one more say. Nipa bi even put say mami a champon. Lumba ni teacher ah say ne mami prekope. Sebi oyo ba panyini na onim sede. Amamre tie no. Aso mi buso. Kuna ye no bema no ne kura na kuma sorry na kuma anu na ebeyi ni film said you so this a powder so or the na egugu ni minim is that how the process of kunaye no ye you film a etiana me pacho me busa sa na tie mo amuti amuni mo amamre no me de me busa se kunaye no na kuma no in this case no 40 ono na eba be yi na free mu ana because omu ya wa bonte hono na me ntiase tina mimi bu sabun say in the space of because ye tie anopano na omusi there be gucci there be cry there be sister do say ne mama obusa ne mama say powder means they are divorcing na me person me say eye na kuma ye for sinu na ye saade no ana say ho na me person me hu nje abusa mommy ma ema ebiem adwa abusa mama sister adwa abusa mama ma ebiem ni ehwe se eye oba no na kuma in this case for sti and I saw the powder and begun so I don't know you see there be a face subiem questions na na ebusa no na why kra na ye nu kuna no e de ma no in the first place. Okay, Obisu say, she's the only true family member there. That is why so no na ye first. Nti na je say to start no money omom ka unya de. Na je say ko money to me ana me be say me ti ase. Ebi muso say man paying for no. So you see, me say sadi we Lumba wo ni emunsem no. It is checking every system. Like legal system, traditional system na you operate to Ghana. RGH you welcome bro. And will be our basso nyamisham. Ne gifters nina. Me pacho. Eno actually say. Eno mo bebre wo mu a esisi yesua. Enti ne yentimi nane. Amamre no. Yentimi nane amamre no. Equia audio. The new Lumba is tied down and powerless. That is why they did this bold, a ritual as a tradition. You honor. It's in the Emi Wawa. Now, Yansha, Adia Ewa Hanum. Yansha Adia Hanum. Wait. Okay, this is it. Inti me wa so pa na hede ohini ba media na be kasei wa hi obema ye nkomo bi komo no I think say very very important say e be chiche ho nkomo okay
can assure you, you have a cotton. I will Lumba, baby. I see, and I'm going to man for women at the fair. You are my year.
You have a cotton. Oh, baby, I see a Lumba na nkasa. Odina dem wo bio. There be minim. Ana ye damage control ni man say a slip of tongue because I know the beba. Tio, odina dem wo bio. Osi afei me de wo ba koto. Na ma kire mo ba bia ye sie Lumba ankasa. O ya kani o papa yo hini. Nti o kasa o fom na no atise bia biti. Yes, Bintia say yes, not yes. Obi say no. Obi say yes. Okay, Shelley say they knew what they are doing, pa. They mean it. And to say, Yanko na me coach them baby you see a Lumba na nkasa. Ebuzafo ebia be fremu ha o. Me fa ma no ana yenko yanim. Nsu ni bi ba mu. Me fa ma no ana enya no na me kom anim. ana mobu mo ho kakra na mobu mo ho kakra me la se be mfrɛ na na kiase gibit me mfrɛ una unim atro. Think about yourself. Everybody have a problem in the family. Kwasia kika sahana afiaso. And did you think about yourself? Me my friend one after one after me busaw. Udu ye no de me ye no mpe. Your bantu wa from when you ana me person me twa bomb so. Eno na na me ba ma ba say tia obe gin wotu. I know, right? I know, Agus. Obejini wotu. Munya we dem deal with on the course with the program ni enko. Etimutie
Matthew no different from Bia and Nano and so is seen. Ultimately, I said, have a tourist attraction because you are tall. You share beautiful atmosphere any place. No, I would say.
I'm ready here, pa. Me jama ni nabo.
I'm saying, that's come on. Now, I can assure you, you have a cut tall. I will Lumba, baby, I see, and I'm going to man for whom I prefer. And see the highest in finally, and then I'm going to be able to come. Now I will take you through the I see no here who said the shades it here. Breaking also a bushane, I should say, Umbi how to ama, Lumba, do for but you don't only about the two, and will be able to die, the so be Lumba, about the show. Let me also add this. Baby a Lumba, you know, different from baby I see, you know, the same neighbor will be in East Legon. How baby a Lumba shares who are seeing Hallelujah, yeah, some time was some Katobo, one of us die, come, baby. Irene and Matthew no different from Bia and Nano and so is seen. Ultimately, I said, have a tourist attraction because you are to tall. You share beautiful atmosphere any place. No, I would say.
Okay. Okay.
I'm saying, that's
Enti yen fan say ensem a o ka no ebia enye saa netie me de de na mo fra me nim said de no o kire no on person che say dan no nko na, but at the end of the day no asase na no omusi so. Enti yate ni ntem no enya no kresa because they be sorry the same compound etise wakọ what say o kete ene usumie no wo de akwakoto akosin na no ho sesiye na eye no a na wo da ho pe na so wo sorry bia wo se ye gya waware na se ukuna yo no emre na so ama ye de se ye ma obia enti sia oni nipa no ntem ekwan awa mi wa no wo sorry bia wo de wo kete ko esiye no akwakoda ne nchempe baby enye sanity na ebusuafo Honorable Collins dia na meka se ode ensem bi behwi mu no yenko tie ho no emre pemu na na se emre bemu a ye maame e champion sa ne interview na okọ ewo eye Angel FM no ni nyina edapono so ni betie ensem a oka wo sa eye enye ne dia because of time factor enye ene because of time factor no you betie ensem a ekoso na ya digest ho ni ehwe ene ya ni ebusa use na in fact dia na ekoso sa dia na esie dia na aba ama afedie komono enyina atane because akwakọ say exebusia pay to sack tama no wo Kumasi na o ma Accra no tio na ne nkomodie different na o demand for mortuary in Safwani keys ni na say yemfa mre no na wasoma dada hafku say onko eye mortuary ho na onko hwe bibia no nje Safwani mfa mre no but san komono entimi ankwanko wie wanto aso biem enti we don't know say mortuary Safwani report by no say na na tio say na tio ye nim bepem ne because when this uncle money biem chamia say sana ade wi akwakoye enti wo hwe wo mu pa na mo kasa beginning no mo no mo church no obiara din budin tese budin obi ankasa biem budin but the same people go out na omunya opportunity bi na omo grant interview bi na anaso obi busa omo kosan bi afa daddy Lumba na omo nyonko fa ho a obo se omo ayira omo ho na me dono no nipa no say but no kra efa no wo ho people have been asking all this for us and somebody been insisi so inti nipa we kan we na we abeka we inti mo amuni mo machire mu krampa na ye boachi bidin na ababe ye boachi bidin na ye boachi bidin ye hwe de Honorable Collins eka wa ha entie ensem no how they did it ekwan omo fa so o kirem
operations are na ewo mu say ya de ne ba
mami
say operations are na ewo mu say limousine you na de ne kwa mu kai
yeah
tin crofo bi so suma crofo bi say nko mu medin se money
okay
yes and then I make us asem
muntie
enti ye true just na was say my police for no cut it off nipa boni for na follow na mu no e no mo escort ne de ne background the time I yeti ho ye no na that the Lumba de na mu aba
wow
yes enti ne mano de ne ba ye ne mana ankasa ne mano nyina mo abehu so mo papa ye de ne be shede Calvin so ne papa body o she ne papa sabi
me ba chok ti in 17 come on
ne manu nyina papa no e na oda ho yi enti mesrem eni pan boni fo bi yo ma dwene say o mo de project for the propaganda no e be ku papa ni ho fi it took him 40 years 4 decades to build this strong brand ya de ne ba
afeti
say operations are na ewo mu say limousine you know na de ne kwa mu kai
so first of all
tin crofo bi so suma crofo nko mu medin se
yemu sase
okay
yes
limousine yenu for one body tie enkomo no said the air con
say my police for no e cut it off nipa boni for na follow na mu no okay eno
Lumba ato ebiase nipa baku wa mi unu se ye enaka mienu na ma sa nipa no but o mu me tie nsem no tie ni ye pa and this is coming from the horse's own mouth and unti na adwuma ha ye die ha no solid because ye enko boy etiremu no obi akoka se no aka bibia to me so wenum asem public document the public domain a public domain but I'll show you and prove to you say there me nipa honorable Ken honorable Collins they no work can na nyesa na etie because they were heavily armed policemen and women funeral grounds or even a funeral 2 year na ekon police just say omo pickups cars die heavily guarded. Now when you intel because honorable Collins Ozumankwa now what parliament you know I sent to be called but not or yeah chairman Emma I think say national security BB I start to be corrected maybe I know that, but no way chairman of intelligence or parliament. So our knowledge about security no makakra. Now asema o kano say nipa bi ntina say mo peki ana mo peki intel ti asem ni ye, but ana me nim hawa empayimfo no ana nipa ni bi omo fa Ghana fo ni bi aka no what peki intel say mo sinkofo bi yo madwene. So where are these people? Because intel na wa peki ni means say munim sankofo no a no mpese mo ye sa move no to the point say mo se mo do edwoso no ena mo ma police fo no eye de de obeka mesa plan mo atie which atwetwe so because yini 2 year na eko no heavily armed guards na edi animu no ani achi no na eso. Now the question again, edi enti ena Lumba one person wawu na yedi ambulance mienu I mean edi nanim say mofa limo mienu. What was the motive for that? Mentiasie. Maybe you can write in the comment. Wa waba obo defense no. Chira me say nipa ba ku wu a ye fa cars 2. See ye the kofa body back one. Nibusa. Inti omo ko han car limo mienu na oka no of a K rentals based in Kumasi ena omuba empty to Accra ena omusa ekofa body no two limo ono abon na kan yesu yesa hu intimi busase enti because on say muna mama ho kwan man kofo and I boost some more questions each and every day. Now obviously in chamwanu enwe no nsue na omuni namu a omudi agiminti no omutimi nwene no baba ka say eno se de obi befe obi bia ebusi ayi enso odi akire bi obi ebusi ba odi akire wanya time akọ TikTok hwehwe baby e kan sam na timi comment medical catch long ago say Lumba no e Ghana fo nyina edia Lumba obo onwom no wan fa nhye ne dem nkoa wan fa nhye ne mpaase odi betu ho mo Ghana fo nyina stream ye to ne nwom ma onya sika die nyina ye stakeholders our brand no aye that strong no ye nyina ye play part obi enu a just obi Ghana man no because one ti Lumba that Lumba anka and then you know be akola ya won enra enti the question again say I didn't know more for ambulances 2 limo for one body mona mama kwan man kofo enya doubts upon doubt esa ebusa questions upon questions. Why? Because the mo ye no money ye no kyerɛ saa mo ma ya die di sɛ ampa nkofo bi anase nuwo no there is something sinister some dark waves bi a ebofa ani wo mu ye betimi aka sɛ at this point na nipa na sɛ da kuki saa de no na enye ne mre na aso sani betimi aka no na emom nipa bi na sisi ni bone. We can say that based on money any conflicting statements bebrea ya show no ya Roman sister say about 9:30 on the day the boss onim pass because Captain Smart say friend anajo 2:11 a.m. no ne kasa ye ono so ko dina interviews no or say he got to know around 9:30 interviewer no, in this case Eunice eka so na say me grab me from 7:30 also okay afa na makai yenya nkwala na mu hyehyɛ akire mu susu ayigum mu kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adepa nti yɛsɛ sɛ kɔ so sa no nyame bi tua mu nyinaa mu ka one after the other nyankopɔn obetua mu ka papa sɛ mo frɛ papa bɔne na frɛ bɔne pa obetua mu ka yes munye ni papa mutimo sum ne ebon pa se bi betoto mo amumu bi beto mo bibi nto mo body ne ehunu bepem ne da ye wi ane yakoye eyi asi ho ne etutu amene ye shape anwea ne ya kire wakiri ene mma se wona ada ho no mo bebre yeah based on the ekoso nyina no mo bebre se nipa ba akwa wu ne yakofa efunu ka mienu. Now, during the a year no, I'm fanko. Except paying to sack. UTV guy ni busano. Say na ehina mobaka kosi no. Ewo ko pakoso anase insuta. Muntie ose. Eno de ontimi nka enkyere no na emom kodwo de otibiase no na ni bibia oye ne will na ne mano ene obia isi otwen. Listen to the statement on kanche no but otwama enkwala na bedu funeral grounds so tie no ma hweba bia ye di Lumba be kwa akoto eti me pa macho ne will na ochro ye no ewei tie a mo se eye na pedie se o se ye nya ne de mo ye anu yi mo se mo aye ni ewe hefa because ebusia pay say ne mani ba na o mo hwe bia bia yede no ebe ye den ebe ko honorable Collins uzo mankwa ka se mi wie ho me ko fa ba me say na me pese bi cheche no makakrem na yakoye num o se enkwara no ba ye no o mu be kwa ko so papa nsa okay cool. Is he not the same person or chere tiasem no during the funeral na e koso wo Kumase no na efunu e bankan meaning ebedu the same Saturday. Iti honorable Collins abrebe na Kevin nkwala no saba ye a umbe wo papa so mo nsa e wo dan na ugire mu no ansa na ye de ne hye amenanim because we see enti no nkofo gu aye national na afru no was heading towards Accra ebuzafo because ade chi ye no omo to aso ye Sunday die ni na nkwala no ho yebusa we ya enwe adri bi be ba be fan life ni mu di comment abeto because we jimi ama ontimi ni tiasem no. Let us speak it one more time na yenhwe ade wa me yenhwe ade wa tie
limousine mienu na de ne ko mukai
limousine mienu
ya de ne ba say operations and a woman said limousine mienu na de ne ko mukai tin crofo bi so suma crofo bi say nko hu medin semon
wa mo no
yes and then I make myself enti ye true just now was see my police for cut it off nipa boni for
police heavily guarded. I'm going to show it to you now.
And almost got on in the background. Okay. My yeti ho ye no na that the Lumba the name aba.
Ti.
Wow.
Yes.
Ti. Obedu Accra.
Enti ne mano. Then ba ye ne mana ankasa manu nyina mo abe hu so mo papa ye
omo ba breben eno mbe hu so papa
so ne papa body
Kevin so ne papa nsa
pants ne manu nyina
abreben
na oda ho
me ba cho tie
ni pan boni obi
ebia me na me ntire mu yi me catch you say Lumba nsemu yi every second, minute, hour, days, weeks, months, or even a year. Ke biano, second biano, it matters because a very critical and vital. Say Yebeki Kasadi na boom, and this shows where a clear example of Asema Honorable call is here Kase. Ne man ba ye no tie statement and anya twi no oka bia menti twi no ye but this is what he is saying anya me na make, and so we can ask questions based on what he is saying. Say ne man ba ye na Calvin question papa pant man or whatever, so not just in basically no en kwara no e di sabi efunu no kodi agoro we ko so ne nsa abra body atawa for a long time and sana ye kwakosie no mutimi say bie ni so hey health wise no na like no me person me busa nse me no mo ka kire yi na mi nyi honorable honorable yaba mutie na mi nyi video no free because na beti mama pause na ye play na ya ka ho asem e wo hanom meba. Just bear with me. Pacho, follow page, mommy. Black Media GH. So, follow ya. And yeah, the attempt apart from say and rain no about film didn't say mudo ni take a crabia, but we are focused on what we are doing. Na ya chili mu ha edia amount. What the bitch na city. Me pacho ba odi dinaso ne tie bi e fama me. I'm playing free hanum. I'm playing free hanum. Na yen hwese de all canon. And the bit ma boama yet me analyzing no money ye. Ama wahunu bit by bit. Maybe I met say the all canon yes sanity because they were heavily armed policemen and women. I know mudi actually heavy police presence. I would you mediana say I must have intel. Say BBC air bekoso. Okay, any. Okay, good.
My picky
Yes.
Jerry, why?
Me pacha say.
My picky Jerry, Mama Papa.
Okay, oh, good. Because now we are that we shout. Okay, we engineer so. Remember, maminye hanum very quick na muntie ade wa ha because very important to me, right? And share honorable Collins na enti.
ya de ne ba say operations are na woman say
Okay.
limousine you know na de ne ko mo kai
Yeah.
huh
I try.
tin crofobia so small crofobia say nko mu medin
Okay.
yes and then I make us asem enti ye true just now was say my police for no e cut it off nipa boni for na
Omukra intel. Etimi identify one person who di bone no. Tio, asema honorable Collins Eka no. Omotimi identify one person who di bone no. And omuma police for just omo cut omo off. Obi omo ba be wiafunu. Criminal act. Momo omo cut omo off just like that with all these policemen and women. Emu rem. Yeah.
and no escort in the back
And no more escorted the bank.
you know not that they don't buy the
Inti go for Heroes Park Asqua Stadium. Na a year new cost no. According to Honorable Collins, na oma ye nipa ni sulia. Because omo peja fu no omo kono. Edom to the echire se omo nante no matter what akọ ekọ ebi mu se omo kokọ. Because omo nim say of 3 places hi. Ebi mu se omo kọ paako so, and ebi mu se omo kọ eye insuta. because omunim baby e de ne kopoti but omunim say de ne dura santima mu de based on narration na omo ka no na che say ho ne yekosie no because omo bo amena miensa all these places. Why would you even do that? No, you say musi nipa no say yensie no e won fie ene e one enti muntie
enti ne mano
eyie no koso
de ne baaye ne mano ankasa ne mano nyina mo abehu so mo papa ye
enti ye efuna ba abedu nkran back eyie no koso no efuna arrive e won nkran eyie no koso na Saturday na end the whole day. Sunday eyie no so e koso 24 hours in a day. And sana Monday na ye joada no enkwala no nyina ebo anan asa bedu nkran e no mbe so mba no papa da so da ho ye fa ni hye fom tie anadwo manasem enne bi si emiembusa ebi beto mo amumu mo na eni mo janom mo hunu o mo so body saa de mo fra papa say bone na bone say papa no ebi ntoto mo onye mo nipa tie
me say de Calvin so ne papa body o she ne papa sabi
Calvin sisi ade mo be sabi Calvin tie funu hey and some men are more catch. No one that said Calvin and him Ayabusa. No wonder. Send any my busa.
Ne manu nyina papa no na oda ho.
Ne manu nyina if a bedru Monday no. Na papa no da so da ho. Eh ene Lumba oyamumu bi boni ana. Yebusa oyamumu bi boni ana. Because mama na bre kran sana mudi ni wura baby ezo wura. Oda how copy mejo ada. Ana tambe because ye ni koso na was paying to sack ho. Eti when they go nsa no aso this year. Some say or the towards ye nsie no East Legon. So it means say ansa na didn't be call back into the soil. It is still say go koso. Or ye this year. Anyam bia sofo ben ene ba dan na mugye mu amuso ode ase ho no. Ebe ye wufu som wo ho. The man no matter what. See yen katan so. Mibusa. Efun da ho already o chef fridge mam and I didn't transport ya kukumase. Kwantintin and okodu ye ehie no course kaka ne se yese kosie. Any a time no we na mudi ko ya duru juso na mo cutting nkofo of enum sa ne trake mu potholes ye wo Ghana kwanti buburu sa na mudi be East Legon and am be enu so no si ho. Ana mudi ne share form wakata and am sa twi ni pie Monday no ye busa. These are the critical questions ye busa say ne mani ba ye no Monday no and Kevin afina na Kevin ebe sie papa no ho. Hey asa be na mo catch say asemena mo catch no
nipa boni fo bi your margin say omo the project for the propaganda no
debi no honorable Collins owuso mankwa me na me nipa but honorable asema okay not just entasumu o debi honorable asema okay entasumu because chronology no time stamps no ye kekasi enia emfa o eni baby am kati gofo no adwoso am yes skirmishes wo the body ni ema police eyitimi escort here bedu nkan emfa o honorable emfa dia na Lumba de ye mo nipa ni bi dia na too many conflicting statements dia nko me pacho madama ye busa oyamumu bi bone na mo se mo atua no so ka ana me busa musi afedie ye na ko shefom muntio afedie di Lumba ko shefom afei afiaso and in the middle of in some konwa and yet say some be museum me pacho there is a way to preserve a body. Said you anybody now cause I feel the muslim be biatum na Lumba adofo aba be hwe no menti ase mo de na ko hwe fom enti I feel the mo say betu body no. And if that be the case and can you afi so nya mo se mo kwa akoye hwan ma ne yiri mako jina na hui na se ka ye hunu so da glass na ka kam na dan so. But when you the form ana base the ohiniba mo kan ene de enenam ya yeti de na chese Lumba ne body ni sada baby enti afeni ye koye preservation no ana mo ka se ye jimi ye jese ye egu Ghana for akanya de enim nyansa. Said there is a process with the body betimi afa so a preserve for over a year. And some ye did not beto ahwehwe mama nkofo abehwe no. You cannot just keep a body down in the soil, down the ground. Now we are after 1 year no more be catch say afa de Lumba adofo betimi aba abehwe no. No, e ya nansesem easy. Tono sem na mo ka kire ye no yenye nkwala media do obaji di engine. I am just thinking aloud. Me di madwene kika bo no ma bim and sanso na mnim so wa wudi machi nsem ameka no enye bosrem ka ba efiri omo num na eba yenye nkwala enti mo be museum after the mo be show ni body after 1 year down the soil yeti chicken pox bejina a platform so ababa ye de bia ne hu de no na me o twa videos ye mo say friends chicken pox be ka say by now endu afi ni enkoye na ne body na pro. Hello me ba cho chicken pox am cancel na me ye nti ana Miss Blessing my feel to say hello chicken pox ya woni nam obia screen sui why any dresser Kwame media I said Temamoto way debut Temamoto way graduate I said M25 UK M25 in the link Heathrow M25 esumpa why any dresser media and a chicken pox in them and all can what temu and a Lumba and afina the body a pro into me pacho based on the busa opinion the okanye the aye say body no endu afide na prampan yenyae na nu satakra na the body na say afide mysteriously no mo say be body fufro fresh amankofo abehe so man who said nyankopon or expose mo amanu masemu and he digested this an oniba media na can say and check they are going to pave way ade ase from a year Yati.
In 40 years, 4 decades to build this strong brand.
Mamwano, Honorable Collins. You be side we you be repeating an ajubuja until the mamenya na minko nkomo so. Ni ensambra but me pese me show say cars na no work no. Me hu ten kofo boil we che am pese mba ba monto mbo mame na yenye adwuma na nsi. Nana ya pato chi ankofo 1 or 2 na me putu me light on see am pato chi ankofo ansa na nya abute chi ankofo kekewu enfa hwe nka ho. Eva mini da meka
Ebusia for me teacher with na yes me ncha nkofo ze de hu se bi mita no aspark na so nyamia sem bi na ayesh tena eba ye mita ene akoma aspark sa gradually me chiao pacho akwa banso eba aye chi black a platform yeso pacho hasi anu me ato nka Ebusia for ye Mrs. Akosia se wa so entina enyumre ye wa say aye share say ye bedwendwen 1 or 2 nya twetwe 1 or 2 as na ye bra Jerry babeka yen so wa say
hey Mrs. Tia o tia ne jesi o say ma make akra still okay yeah, that's CP, Nana, Yamisha. Anyway, Monja, ye 2 video bi akyɛ mo na afei yɛkɔ ɛyɛ surprise bi a mede bra wo so na afei wɔhunu sɛdeɛ ɛteɛ mpatwɔ ɛnie honorable college ne bɛba me say questions no bebree saa deɛ digest questions no bebree yɛbɛsa aba so biem because nsɛm a wɔn ka no ɛnyɛ ɛyɛ not oh
limousine you know like any ko mukai
body back limousines too almost say me busa ho asem from the horse's own mouth oh Debbie it mean possible muntie
you true just never see
okay monhwɛ we so nsɛm a ɛkɔ so ground so oh Mutie.